Still choking down lumpy protein shakes? What if one blender could change everything? Welcome back to my channel. Today I reveal the top 8 best blenders for silky, powerful protein shakes, tested for speed and strength. Stay tuned, feel inspired, and grab your favorite through links in the description below today. On number 8 is GDOR Countertop Blender. What if your protein shakes failed not because of the recipe, but because of the blender? That's the mistake many people make before choosing wisely. The GDOR Countertop Blender surprised me. In our top 8 protein shake lineup, this one stands out for raw power and practicality. The 1200 watts motor tears through ice and frozen fruit smoothly, no gritty leftovers, no wasted protein. That's real relief. I love the dual setup, a heavy-duty glass jar for family batches, and a travel cup for gym days. Simple speeds, smart pulse control, nothing overcomplicated, just effective. Compared to pricier options, it's slightly louder and less premium in finish, but performance? Shockingly close. Cleanup is effortless, which matters daily. We only suggest gear that earns its spot through real testing, and this one delivers confidence. If you want smooth shakes without overspending, this feels like a smart, stress-free choice. Power users chasing luxury may look higher, but most of you? This just makes sense. What do you think, power or polish? At number 7 is ASTRALSHIP Heating Blender. What if one blender could replace 3 appliances on your counter? That's the bold promise here, and honestly, it delivers more than expected. The ASTRALSHIP Heating Blender earns its place in our top lineup for protein-focused blending with brains and brawn. First, power. The 1500-watt motor chews through frozen fruit, seeds, and oats with ease. Shakes come out smooth, warm soups come out ready. Relief, right? The heating function solves a real problem busy users face, switching tools mid-recipe. Next, control. 9 speeds and smart presets feel intuitive, not overwhelming. Compared to simpler models on this list, it's more advanced, but that's the trade-off. Slightly larger footprint, higher price. Worth it? For families, meal preppers, or anyone chasing consistency, absolutely. We recommend tools that prove themselves in daily use, and this one feels safe, capable, and future-proof. If you want more than just cold shakes, this is peace of mind in blender form. Who's this for, you or someone else at home? On number 6 is CRANDDI Commercial Blender. Here's a wild thought, most home blenders aren't actually built for daily protein shakes. That's where the CRANDDI Commercial Blender flips the script. In our top 8 lineup, this one feels unapologetically powerful. Let's talk muscle. The 1500-watt motor and high revolutions per minute crush ice, frozen fruit, even nut butter, without slowing down. No stalling. No frustration. That's instant peace of mind. The massive 80-ounce jar solves a real problem, constant refilling, especially compared to smaller, quieter models on this list. Control comes next. The variable speed dial and pulse give precision you usually pay much more for. Downsides? It's louder and takes space. But performance first users won't mind. We stand behind gear that proves itself in real kitchens, and this one feels built to last. If you want cafe-level results at home, this is a confident, smart buy. Casual users wanting compact silence? You may prefer another option. At number 5 is Oster Mix Blender. Here's a surprise, power alone doesn't guarantee a smooth protein shake. Control does. That's where the Oster Extreme Mix Blender quietly earns respect in our top 8 lineup. First impression? Confidence. The 2 horsepower motor tears through ice and frozen fruit, yet the blend stays controlled. No jam. No frantic stirring. That anti-jam blade system genuinely fixes a common frustration many buyers face before upgrading. Relief hits fast. Next, usability. The iBlend presets feel smart, not gimmicky, especially compared to simpler dials on other models we tested. The glass jar adds a sense of safety and long-term trust, though it's heavier than plastic rivals. Noise? Moderate, but expected at this power level. We back tools that prove themselves in everyday use, not spec sheets. This one feels dependable, balanced, and thoughtfully designed. If you want strong performance without commercial bulk, this is a wise choice. Power hunters wanting ultra-quiet blending may look elsewhere, but most users will feel right at home. What matters more to you, raw strength or smooth reliability? At number 4 is COZII Smoothie Blenders. Here's a bold truth: most powerful blenders still choke on frozen protein mixes. The COZII Smoothie Blender doesn't. That's why it earns attention in our top 8 lineup. First, performance. The high peak watt motor crushes ice into snow-fast textures while staying surprisingly quiet. That alone solves a huge buyer fear: power without chaos. Relief feels instant. Next, control. The smart touch presets and manual speeds make blending feel effortless compared to dial-only models we tested. It's flexible, modern, and genuinely enjoyable to use. Downsides? It's larger than compact options and may feel like overkill for single shakes. But versatility is the trade-off. We stand by tools that prove themselves in everyday kitchens, and this one delivers confidence. Family batches, gym shakes, even nut butter, handled smoothly. If you want one machine that does it all, this is a safe, future-proof choice. Minimalists may prefer simpler builds, but power users? You'll feel smart buying this. What would you blend first? On number 3 is Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave. Here's a surprising reality: more power doesn't always mean better shakes. Smart design does. That's exactly why the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave earns its place in our top 8 lineup. Let's start with the real problem buyers face: chunks at the bottom of the jar. The Wave Action System fixes that by pulling ingredients straight into the blades. Smooth results, less shaking, instant relief. At 700 watts, it's clearly not a commercial beast like others on this list, but that's the point. It's lighter, quieter, and easier to live with. The glass jar adds trust and safety, and cleanup is effortless. Downside? It struggles with very dense blends compared to higher watt rivals. We only back gear that proves useful in everyday kitchens, and this one delivers comfort and consistency. If you want reliable protein shakes without overpaying or overthinking, this is a smart, stress-free pick. Hardcore power users should look higher, but beginners and daily users will feel right at home. What matters more to you, simplicity or sheer strength? At number 2 is Colarlemo Blender for ice crushing. Here's a bold question: why do so many ice crushers still leave chunks in your protein shake? The Colarlemo Blender answers that fast. In our top 8 lineup, this one is all about speed and convenience. The 25,000 revolutions per minute motor paired with upgraded steel blades absolutely demolishes frozen fruit and ice. No scraping. No second run. That alone fixes a huge pain point buyers face before upgrading: uneven texture. Relief feels immediate. What makes it different from bigger countertop beasts is the personal cup system. Multiple sizes, grab-and-go lids, zero waste. Compared to larger jar models, it's less ideal for families but far better for daily gym routines. Noise? Noticeable. Power like this always is. We only stand behind tools that feel dependable in real life, and this one feels focused and efficient. If your priority is fast, smooth shakes without a bulky setup, this is a smart, confidence-boosting buy. Heavy batch blenders may suit others, but solo users will love this. Would portability or capacity matter more to you? Now moving to the last one is Ninja Nutri-Blender. Quick fact: most people quit healthy routines because cleanup and time slow them down. The Ninja Nutri-Blender fixes that problem instantly. That's why it confidently earns its place in our top 8 lineup. Let's talk real use. The 900-watt base may sound modest compared to larger countertop monsters, but the extractor blades hit hard. Ice, frozen berries, leafy greens, gone. Smooth texture, zero excuses. Relief feels immediate. The blend-and-go cups are the real win here. No transferring. No mess. Compared to bulkier options we tested, this feels faster and more personal. Downside? It's not built for family batches or hot blends. But that's the trade-off for speed and simplicity. We only highlight tools that prove their value in daily routines, and this one feels reliable and stress-free. If you want effortless protein shakes without clutter or complexity, this is a smart, confidence-boosting buy. Power users needing large volumes may look elsewhere, but busy individuals will feel right at home. Would convenience change how often you blend? After testing all 8, the ASTRALSHIP heating blender stands out as the winner. It blends power and versatility like few others, handling tough frozen ingredients and hot soups with ease thanks to its 1500-watt motor and thoughtful presets. The 6D Vortex delivers consistently smooth results, solving the biggest frustration most buyers face: uneven texture. It's safe, reliable, and built for everyday use. If you want one machine that covers shakes, meals, and more, this is the smart, confidence-boosting choice. So guys, this was the video about the top 8 best blender for protein shakes. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.